the subway because this is one I know how to use. So, subway. So, oh, yeah, sorry, I gotta make it again. Okay, so, I need to show you. So this is 610 minus 97. So math it up quickly. 613. Yeah. Oh, I think I got that one wrong. It's 500. Sorry. Yep, we go screwdriver. But nope, that can't jam open that door, but instead it jams open this door. Now I'll show you what the fuses. See this exit? It's clickable. Take that. This is openable without the screwdriver. So after you find all 3 fuses, open this and put each one in. And then I'll let you go up here. This one's, let's see if there's some stuff that's color thing you're supposed to remember. Click on this and then get a pen. So remember this one, the second one. So then I'm going to go up here. We'll see somewhere up here. So I'm kind of a cheater, but I think it's there. No. I think it's that. Okay. This. Sorry, I forgot. Here, let me quickly do something. Welcome back. Took a second. I'll start a new game just in case you aren't watching for the first couple of seconds. That's jammed. 513. If you're watching, you can skip to here. Then you know how to put to annotations. Should probably like aggregate to say like when I have to go do something. So yeah, all that. Go over here. So this signifies like almost nothing. I'll just show you it. So triangle, that, no, yeah, yep, and then that, yep, and then you get a black key. Use the black key to go in here, open that to get a quarter. Go in here. This is clean, so it's gonna be a lot. Slower. Clean gets you that key. This key gets you right there. Now this will say how mess it needs to clean up. So that doesn't really mean anything. Just go to this one and grab that sponge. Use the sponge to wipe that off. It says dull. Put this one on this one. The middle one again. I don't know if that's supposed to mean dull. You found a quarter, and since I restarted, gotta grab the quarter from here again. So I'll just jam this open for safety. Put these in there. Grab the soda. Give the soda to the girl that's saying that soda. And use this to find HQ. Yay! So more escape games are able, and we are using CrudaMath.com There's a lot of other websites that could use HQ, but this is the one I like to use because it has a lot of fun other games and other games that I will be recording, like Pizzeria, Papa's Pizzeria and stuff. So thank you for watching. Please, you don't have to like. If you can, I don't care. So see ya!